Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys the Lunar New Year week 2. I'll be showing you guys around. Let's see what changed. There's this. This prism's made for 40 stars. And this dragon lying mask for 5 stars. And this pellet drum rattle for 5 stars. And this one is a Lunar New Year rickshaw stroller. And these two are still the same. So yeah, and what else? Also 13 days left before it leaves. And I noticed something as well. Let's check it out. I noticed something in the nursery. I think it's there. Oh yes. They removed the gumball machine, and now we can't get the garden egg anymore. It's all gone now. Luckily, I still have one in my inventory here. So yeah, and it will also be worth a lot early, but now it's already gone. So now let's open. The new egg is going to release in 6 days. Now let's head over to the next area. I also saw the countdown right there. This one that says 3 hours. Does that mean that something is gonna happen around here? Who knows? I don't know what could be inside. But we'll find out and see about it tomorrow. But yeah, so yeah. Anyways, that's it for today's Lunar New Year Week 2 update. I hope you guys enjoyed today's update vid. Also, don't forget to sub and like to my channel. I really appreciate it. Anyways, see ya.